Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to check Gmail password in mobile. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, go to your Gmail app. Here you have to click on these three lines. Now scroll a bit and here you will find the option for settings. Here we have to click on, and here you will find all of your Gmails which are added on your Gmail app. Here we have to select the Gmail of which we need to check the password. In my case this is the Gmail, so we have to select it, and just here we have to hit on manage your Google account. Now go to security. As you can see here, now here we need to again scroll a bit, and here you will find the option for password manager. Click here, then you will see all of those apps are visible whose passwords are saved in your Google account. So we have to click on this google.com option, and yeah, there you go, we can easily see the password. You just have to click on this I button, and this is how you can check Gmail password of your Google account. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.